ating mga kababayan dito sa Amerika nagtatrabaho para makapagpadala ng pera, makapagparemit ng pera sa ating mga mahal sa buhay naman sa Pilipinas. So here on the show, we came up with this segment para naman turuan tayong magtipid para mas malaki yung maipiremit natin sa mga mahal natin sa buhay sa Pilipinas. Here is Money Matters for you.
Giving you tips on saving more, brought to you by MoneyGram International Money Transfer.
At ang ating pong resident finance and insurance expert here on Kababayan LA. Napakaganda, Miss Melody Avesilla. Hello and welcome back to Kababayan LA.
Thank you. Always thrilled to be here.
Yeah. You know what? Especially me. Kasi marami kaming natututunan from you. Melody, before last week, we talked about different things naman pagka
Saving strategies.
Saving strategies. Ngayon naman, let's talk about this, credit rating and how to improve our credit rating. Importante ba talaga yung credit score?
Very important, especially here in the United States.
Kasi di ba sa Philippines, pagka may utang ka, parang ayaw natin na may utang tayo dito, kailangan nating umutang, di ba?
It's important here to build your credit and maintain a good credit standing.
Bakit? When do we use our credit scores?
In a lot of ways, especially for major purchases, you know, for buying your home, your dream car, even maybe starting your business, and if you want to obtain like business line of credit, you know, so there's so many ways it can really impact your life. So it's so important because it really can affect your ability to build the life that you desire.
Your American dream.
Yes.
And so today on the show, we are going to give you tips on how to improve your credit rating. The first one is back here, apply for credit cards and small installment loans. So kailangan mong mag-apply.
Apply, and then I think the operating word there as well is small. Small until you really have established that habit of making good with all your loans.
Okay.
Yes.
Pag sinabi mo apply for credit cards, ilang credit cards bang advisable?
Not a whole lot. Something that's manageable, that you know based on your income, that you'll be able to make good with those credits.
So mga 2 or 3, ganyan?
Palagay ko that would be a good amount. Kasi sometimes if it's one, and then let's say the establishment, so let's say you're in a restaurant, and they don't accept let's say Amex, and you only have Amex.
Okay.
It'll be good to have maybe two or three.
2 or 3, all right. And what about yung mga boutique, yung mga they offer, di ba, 10% discount if you open now or ganyan?
As long as it's manageable, the last thing you want is you have all these slew of credit cards, and you're exposed also, you know, for identity theft.
Okay.
And you know how it is. That's the #1 fast, you know, crime rate, you know,
all right.
dito sa Amerika.
Number 2 tip to improve your credit rating, pay your utility bills on time. Bakit?
Yes.
Ganun ba yun kalaki ang impact?
Even especially for those who are wanting to establish credit, yung rent mo, your utilities, your cell phone bills, your cable bills, those have effects on your credit. So it's important to pay on time, not after the due date, but before.
Okay, pagka nakabayad ka siguro 2 days, 3 days after nakalimutan mo one time, does it affect right away?
It's still, especially if you're talking about mortgage, you know, the bigger ones, even a 30-day late really drastically reduce your credit score.
Okay, next tip, monitor your credit score. This is a website where we can monitor our credit score. Why is it important?
Again, we talk about identity theft, and sometimes there could be some erroneous, you know, reporting, so you want to be able to be proactive.
And this website, is it free? Ang credit report?
It's free, but just caution to our kababayans, because sometimes there are several credit rating bureaus where in order to give you the free credit, they would ask you to kind of commit to like a subscription or membership. So just be careful.
And you don't need to do that, right?
You don't have to, to get the free credit report.
Next tip we have, avoid taking new debt. What do you mean taking new debt?
Well, basically, this is for those that, unfortunately, some are faced with a situation where they have unfavorable, you know, credit, and if they want to improve, so #1, pay your debts on time, and then avoid taking new debt.
Syempre, kung nahihirapan ka na magbayad ng ibang utang, of course, try not to open new credit cards or
acquire more utang.
Okay, and our next tip is work with your current creditors to pay off your debt. Ito yung medyo malala na, no?
Yeah, this is if you feel that you're going to be delinquent or you're going to be late or you're having several late pays. Most creditors, they're actually okay. They're open and willing to work with those that are serious and those that have sincere interest to make good with their loans.
Okay, and it is important, once again, let me reiterate, to have a good credit report, credit standing, because you can use it many ways, right?
In many ways, definitely.
And finally, our final tip for today is consider calling a credit counselor agency for help. Meron bang mga ganon? And
Yes.
how can they help us?
Well, basically, for managing and, being more responsible, maybe tips, and maybe working with the different creditors on your behalf. So that is, I think, your last resort before you file bankruptcy. So as much as possible, really, that's the last resort to file bankruptcy, because that stays in your credit for at least 10 years.
Right, and also it is good to note that before you even get to that point, you might want to consider hiring a finance or insurance expert to help you manage your debts and all that. Melody Avacia can help you certainly with that, and we will have her more regularly, hopefully, on Kababayan LA.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us.
Of course, my pleasure.
All right, magbabalik ko pa ang Kababayan LA. Don't go away.